restaurant's going to be downstairs and elevators are on your left.
Cuida a los pequeñitos. A manera de recordatorio, no tomar fotos con flash y luz de video.
The approaching storm may seem violent and destructive to us, but to nature, it's a new beginning in the cycle of life. Beneath the surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. Providing us with oxygen, food, medicines, and other elements essential to our lives. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. Rich soil that will one day become home to the American farm. Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and
we can make farmland more fertile without the need for chemicals. Here at Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators, like ladybugs and wasps, to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil.
to help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times. Where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. City of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of making it the most popular fruit in the world. But fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood we eat here, are three of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system it takes. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. We play an important role in our efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect the natural resources. Just rice account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. Reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops using our nutrient film system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants.
Hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.